G'day from the Bureau for Sunday, the 9th of April. It feels more like winter than autumn across parts of southeastern Australia today, with cold, gusty winds, showers, and snow down to 800 metres in Tasmania and about alpine peaks of Victoria. Further north, showers and storms continue about the top end in Kimberley, with light showers in southern WA and dry on the east coast. Conditions will slowly ease on Monday in southeast Australia, though the cold will linger with light showers about Tasmania and southern Victoria. Over in WA, a cold front will impact the southwest with gusty winds and a band of showers at night. Further north, a tropical low may become a cyclone off the Kimberley coast. A cold front will sweep across South Australia on Tuesday with strong winds, showers and possible storms, with conditions warming up and drying out across eastern Australia, while a cyclone off the WA coast intensifies. Showers will spread across southeastern Australia on Wednesday as another cold front approaches WA late in the day. Showers and storms may also increase across northern WA and the top end as the cyclone begins moving south. Thursday's weather in WA will be highly dependent on the tropical cyclone's track and intensity, but a cold front will sweep across southwest WA, tapping into moisture from the cyclone, producing a band of rain and storms across inland WA. Further east, showers will continue about eastern New South Wales and southern Victoria, but elsewhere will be mostly dry. Friday and into the weekend will be dependent on the tropical cyclone's track, but at this stage, a cold front will sweep across southern Australia with a band of rain, storms and strong winds, while the remnants of the cyclone will move through central Australia. And that's it for our weekly wrap. We'll see you again next Sunday.